Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, teman-teman. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga kalian sehat ya. Oke, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is about understanding and using English grammar second edition. Still in the same book, Betty Scramper Azar. Okay, in this video we will learn about simple past tense and simple and past progressive tense. I hope you still follow this video until the end. Okay guys, before we begin, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman birahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. For knowing the new videos, please subscribe and also like, comment and share to others. Okay guys. Okay, this is simple past tense. Okay, let's begin. The example, I walked to school yesterday. He lived in Paris for 10 years, but now he is living in Rome. I bought a new car 3 days ago. The simple past indicates that an activity or situation began and ended at a particular time in the past. Jadi di sini contohnya tuh saya berjalan ke sekolah kemarin di jalan kaki. Dia tinggal di Paris untuk 10 tahun, tapi sekarang dia tinggal di Roma. I bought a new car 3 days ago. Saya membeli mobil baru 3 hari yang lalu. Jadi udah selesai ya waktunya, seperti gambarnya di sini teman-teman ya. Jadi mulai di sini dan selesai di sini. Intinya mulainya kemarin, selesainya kemarin juga ya teman-teman tuh. Begin and ended at a particular time in the past. Mulai lalu dan selesai juga sudah lalu, sudah selesai, sudah tidak berlanjut lagi. Okay, next. Past. Oh no. This is the second example. I stood under a tree when it began to rain. When she heard a strange noise, she got up to investigate. When I dropped my cup, the coffee spilled on my lap. I stood under a tree when it began to rain. Saya berdiri di bawah pohon ketika mulai hujan. Jadi hujan dulu apa berdiri dulu teman-teman di sini? Ya benar banget, hujan dulu ya teman-teman baru berdiri. Jadi if a sentence contains when and has the simple past in both clauses. Nah di sini ada simple past dua-duanya, stood sama began. The action in the when clause happen first. Jadi itu kan setelah when itu terjadi duluan. The rain begin and the second condition is I stood under a tree. Jadi hujan dulu baru berdiri di bawah pohon. Oke, lanjut. Next. Past progressive. This is the example. I was walking down the street when it began to rain. Well, I was walking down the street, it began to rain. I was standing under a tree when it began to rain. Nah, itu contohnya hampir sama ya. Tapi beda-beda. Di sini ada when it began. Kalau di sini while I was walking. Nah, di sini when it began juga sama ya. Jadi yang ini dan yang G dan I sama ya teman-teman ya. I was standing, walking sama ya. When it begin to rain. First, I was walking down the street. It began to rain. Kalau yang pertama itu yang G, contohnya kayak gitu ya. In other words, both action occur at the same time, but one action begin certain and was in progress when the other action occur. Jadi di sini ada dua kejadian ya teman-teman ya, terjadi di waktu yang sama, tetapi satu waktu ada yang mulainya duluan, and was in progress when the other action occur, dan masih dalam kejadian terus lanjut lagi kejadian yang lain gitu teman-teman. Jadi sini saya tuh lagi duduk-duduk, tiba-tiba hujan gitu ya teman-teman ya. Jadi duduk dulu baru hujan ya teman-teman. Oke, lanjut the next example. At 8 o'clock last night I was studying. Last year at this time I was attending school. My studying began before 8, was in progress at that time and probably continue. Jadi dimulainya jam 8 dan masih kemungkinan besar berlanjut ya teman-teman. Itu dia. While I was studying in one room of our apartment, my roommate was having a party in the other room. Sometimes the past progressive is used in both parts of a sentence when two actions are in progress simultaneously. Jadi berbarengan nih teman-teman. While I was studying in one room of our apartment, saat saya sedang belajar di kamar apartemen kami, my roommate was having a party in other room. Jadi satu apartemen dan di ruangan lain mengadakan party. It rained this morning. It was raining this morning. In some cases, the simple past and the past progressive almost the same meaning. Seperti contoh di sini ya teman-teman ya. Jadi bisa pakai rain, bisa pakai raining ya teman-teman ya. Kalau yang atas berarti sudah selesai, kalau yang bawah belum ya, masih agak berlanjut gitu teman-teman. Mungkin tadi udah hujan dan tapi masih sekarang berlanjut. Oke, this is the exercise. Exercise 21. Page, what is it? Page 24 until 25. Use the simple past or the past progressive in the following. I'm sitting in class right now. I blah 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 in class at this exact same time yesterday. I was sitting in class at this exact same time yesterday. Number 2. I don't want to go to the zoo today because it's raining. The same thing happened yesterday. Berarti sama yang tadi ya teman-teman ya. Happened yesterday. Ini awalnya tadi simple present, present continuous, present progressive, dan di sini juga awalnya juga simple present progressive. It's because it's raining tuh kan.
Mau makan yang ini.
Jadi the same thing happened yesterday. I was not.
Ada akornya. Yupi.
I didn't want to go to the zoo because it was raining. Oke, teman-teman. Polanya sama yang di atas, cuma yang pertama itu jadi I didn't want, yang kedua jadi it was raining. I blah 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 Roger at 9 last night, but he blah 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 at home. He blah 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 study at the library. Ya, I called pakai ed ya teman-teman. I called Roger at 9 last night. but he was not at home. He was studying at the library. Jadi di sini dia belajar dulu, sudah mulai belajar, tiba-tiba saya telepon gitu loh teman-teman ya. Number 4, I blah 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 the thunder during the storm last night because I blah 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 sleep. Yeah, I didn't hear the thunder during the storm last night because I was sleeping. Jadi di sini dia sudah tidur duluan. Nah, saat dia lagi tidur semalam itu ternyata ada bunyi petir gitu ya teman-teman, dan dia tidak dengar karena sudah tidur duluan. Jadi posisinya tidur duluan baru ada suara petir ya teman-teman. Next. Okay, number 5. It was beautiful yesterday when we went for a walk in the park. The sun shone, a cool breeze blew, the birds sang. Number 6. My brother and sister argue about something when I was walking into the room. Number 7. I got a package in the mail. When I opened it, I found a surprise. Number 8. Tommy went to his friend's house, but the boys were not be there. They were playing soccer. In the vacant lot down the street. Number 9. Stanley was climbing the stairs when he tripped and fell. Luckily, he was not hurt himself. Number 10. While Mrs. Emerson was reading the little boy a story, he fell asleep, so she closed the book and quietly tiptoed out of the room. Number 11. I really enjoyed my vacation last January. While it snowed in Iowa, the sun shone in Florida. While you shovel. Number 11. I really enjoyed my vacation last January. While it was snowing in Iowa, the sun was shining in Florida. While you were shoveling snow in Iowa, I was laying on the beach in Florida. Number 12, the last. While Ted was shoveling snow from his driveway yesterday, his wife was bringing him a cup of hot chocolate. Okay, this is the answer of exercise 21, page 24 and 25 about simple past and past progressive. This is the answer that I wrote, guys. Number 1 until number 12 here. The blue one is past progressive, the right one is simple past. Okay, thank you very much. I hope this is very useful for you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.